Let's get back to numbers and let's welcome on board the management of Motherson Sumi Wiring. We've got Mahender Chhabra, the CFO, and Anurag Gahlot, the COO, joining in on the show right now. Gentlemen, hi, morning, both of you. Mahender, if I could start off with you, or actually, Anurag, let me take the question with you first. You've registered a double-digit growth in the first quarter, while your margins were flat year on year. But going ahead, are you confident of sustaining this kind of growth trajectory?
Just want to tell that yes, there are strong revenues in quarter one. As you must have seen, the passenger vehicle has grown by 6% in quarter one year on year, whereas MSWIL has grown by 17%, and that is mainly due to two reasons where we have outperformed the market. One is the volume game, where the volumes are growing up at the OEM's end, and we are supplying to them. Second is the customers are buying the feature-rich models, so the top of the top model. So once this upgrade happens, then content of the wiring harness goes up, and MS will directly get impacted to the cost of sales of the model. So the higher the model they are selling, the higher the harnesses are getting sold, and that's why we have grown by 17%. Moving forward, obviously Q1 traditionally, if you see in the past also, Q1 remains a little low volume, and obviously one of our major customer has a maintenance shutdown for one of the weeks, so revenue remains a little lower side. But as the customers are heavily investing into the capacities into next 6 to 7 years, so it's just a matter of a few weeks here and there, and I think the market looks positive to us as moving forward. So we are very much aligned to the customer requirements. As of now, we are 28 plants, where 2 new plants are also coming up very well, where the ramp up is going to happen in Q2 and Q3 in one of the plants. And the second plant is going to have a ramp up in Q4 and Q1 of FY26. So we are having as we are aligning with the customer. So you will see us that there will be more plants will be coming soon.
We do understand that you have seen some import content in yen. Help us understand the impact of yen on your financials.
So as far as foreign currency is concerned, including yen, so we have a pass-through arrangement with our customers, where the fluctuation in the exchange rates is passed on to our customers. There could be a time lag with some customers; it is passed on at a quarterly lag, whereas with the other customers, it's passed on at a half-yearly lag. So if you look at it in terms of fluctuation, it doesn't really impact our P&L. There could be a lag of time, but yes, our P&L is not really kind of impacted due to the fluctuation in the exchange rates.
Right, Anurag, you also have upcoming plans, 2 of them, and I believe that the impact has been on your margins this time around. But going forward, what is the target utilization level? What is the impact of these plants on your overall margins?
Okay. See, in the Q1 itself, if you see these plants, obviously when you are putting up a plant and you have to ramp up, in our case, when you have started supplying the harnesses first time, before itself, way before, you have to hire the manpower, you have to put up the plant and everything for the people, you have to do a training and skill upgrade so that they start producing. So you will see into our Q1 results also, there is a little bit of impact of that on the cost of the manpower, and it is, I think, visible into the results as well. This is going to be a ramp up in Q2 and Q3. Obviously, these are not the plants which are only serving to a single customer. They are multi-customer, multi-model are going to be launched. So you will see a spread of Q2 and Q3, and same way the second plant is also going to have in Q4 and Q1 of FY26.
Right. Anurag, I want to talk about the launches as well, with respect to the new ones. Where is it that you're seeing most traction? Also, given that Maruti is also your customer and they do have an upcoming EV launch as well, how do you think that can give a thrust to your order book?
Obviously, as I said that, we are supplying to all the major OEMs in the country. And if you have seen our last last year report also that we are the preferred supplier of 9 vehicle out of top 10 supplied to the market. So you can understand that we are also having a trust of customers that they are making us part of their journey as MSWIL as the good supplier or a good partner with them. So I think with 28 plants nearby to the customer vicinity, the way they are going to increase their capacities, and we are also aligning with them. I think it's going to be a good time for OEMs as well as for the MSWIL as well.
Now, Mahender, there has been a sharp decline in metal prices, especially copper. Will you pass through all the benefit to the customers? If yes, what could be the lag impact?
So, as far as copper is concerned, yes, that is one of the main components that we have in our overall raw material cost. And we have an arrangement with our customers where the fluctuation or changes in the price of copper is passed on to the customers. Again, the lag is like 1 quarter for some customers, and for some other customers, it's like a half yearly lag. So, any fluctuation in the price of copper is also kind of gets passed on to the customers.
All right, thank you so much for joining in and giving us that view on how the business is shaping up. That's the management of Motherson Wiring talking about how the raw material price will benefit, but it's going to be close to a 1 to 2 month lag that will take place.